The January dump trend on Instagram is all about posting a photo carousel of your best moments from January, unedited, aesthetic, or even random snaps that tell a story. So, here is how to create your own. Firstly, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Instagram account. Then simply tap on the Your Story option available at the top left corner of your screen to navigate to your story. Now, once inside the story, you can simply tap on the grid option available there at the left side panel. You can see, or you can simply upload any photo and make it a January dump as well. But here we are choosing the grid. Then tap on the gallery option available at the bottom left corner of your screen and browse through your gallery and choose 4 photos for your grid as your January dump. Now, once you choose the 4 photo, simply tap on the sticker icon available at the top. Then once you tap on the sticker icon, you can see add yours option available there. Then simply tap on the add yours. Then write down January dump at the comment section. And once you are done, simply tap on the done option available at the top right. Then you can drag it to the wherever you want to keep this January dump to. Then tap on your story and post it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.